Wow, what a truck. Check this out. This is about right in the neighborhood of a 1939. Not exactly certain of what the actual year is. Looks like it was last plated in 1963. Look at this cool old truck. It's in pretty decent shape for its age. Doesn't look like there's an engine in it, but there might be. See through the slots. Can you see anything? Not much. Look at the emblems are all there. Look at the grill on this bad boy. Headlights. It looks pretty complete. The windshield's all there. It's like a 1-ton. This is prior to the F-Series, so this isn't an F-Series. This would probably be the equivalent of an F-350. Take a look at the inside here. Look at that. Wow, that's pretty special. See the back window here. Oh yeah, there you go. Look at that dashboard. Wow. Look at the rear end on these old trucks. You don't see them built like this anymore. See how that works? Just like a clamshell with an enclosed drive line. This is not the spinning drive shaft. If you look up here, you can see that it's a solid fixed enclosed with a. This is what's called wishbone suspension right here. Here's one side of the wishbone, and here's the other side. That's your rear suspension to keep the rear end from going anywhere. You see how it's solidly attached to the rear axle on each side. And these are your cable brakes right here. When you step on the brakes and just pull on that cable and twist a cam right down in here and apply the drum brakes. These things were a nightmare to drive. That is the intake manifold for a flathead V8. It looks like a carburetor down there underneath it. This is definitely a project, not for the faint of heart. Let's take a look underneath. Oh yeah, look at that. You see equipment still in there. Oh, yeah, there's an engine. Look at the traverse spring in the front. That's your front suspension. That's the original suicide front end. Yep, from the factory.